Hi, I'm Johnny with OnlineLabels.com, and today I'm going to answer your most frequently asked questions about our custom labels on sheets. Our custom label service allows you to turn any design into professional labels that arrive ready to stick. From product labels to event favors to stickers, we can help you find the label you need for your next project. If you're interested in learning more about our custom labels on rolls, we'll include a link to that video in the description. To get started on your order of custom sheet labels, first visit OnlineLabels.com. On the home page, you should see a section for custom labels and a button to shop sheets. Just click on that and you'll be taken right to the custom sheet labels page where you can begin your order. You can also find it in the navigation bar at the top of our site. Just hover your mouse over custom labels and click the orange Get Started button. Once you're on the quote page, you just have to select your label specifications, submit your artwork, and our team will take care of the rest. After you upload your design and adjust it to fit within the safe zones of your selected label, one of our on-staff artists will review it to make sure it meets standard printing requirements. They'll make sure your design is easy to read, placed properly on the label, and more. If they notice any potential issues, they'll immediately reach out to you about further steps. We'll provide a free digital proof of your order so you can see what your label looks like on your sheet. While we don't currently offer lamination options for our custom labels on sheets, you can find these options available for our custom roll labels. We offer multi-variation printing for different designs printed on the same size and material. Once you add a design to your cart, you'll be able to add additional designs to view your discount. Our design program, Maestro Label Designer, allows you to create label designs from scratch, browse customizable pre-designed templates, and order your labels printed by us. At this time, we don't offer white underprinting for clear materials on sheets. However, we do offer this option for rolls. After you select your shape, size, and material in the quantity drop-down menu, the amount of total labels is shown with the amount of sheets. Choosing your label material all depends on how you'll be using your label and what you'll be applying it to. In the custom sheet labels ordering page, there is a helpful link near the material drop-down that covers the different types of materials available. There are no minimum order sizes on custom sheet labels. You can order as little as one sheet or as many as you need for your project. Once your artwork is approved, it'll be printed and shipped in 1 to 3 days. We hope this information was helpful as you get started with your custom label order. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave a comment below. You can also reach out to our customer service team. You can find their contact information in the description below.